Well, no one wants to spend years wearing braces just to get their teeth straight, and the good news is now you don't have to. Dr. Kelly Wettstein and Amy Manzo are from Impressions Dental in Chandler telling us about a new option. We welcome you to the show.
Thank you.
So I've never heard of 6-month braces, and so what is this? Is this something new?
Actually, it isn't something new. It's been around for about 15 years. A dentist needs to be specifically trained in 6-month braces in order to perform the techniques. But short-term braces is an excellent way for adults to straighten their teeth in a short amount of time. It costs less than traditional braces, and we're able to achieve straight teeth in 6 months, sometimes even less.
People are so accustomed to spending more time with the braces, 2 years, a year, even more. So when you make that a little bit shorter, does it still work? Do you still get the same after?
Absolutely. We get excellent effects. I've had patients in sometimes 3 months achieve their effect. I have a patient right here that she was able to achieve her optimal results in 3 months' time. I have some that have taken up to 6 months, but such as this individual, she was only in her braces for about 4 months. We have another patient here. She did take the full 6 months to complete her treatment. And then our final patient here, he was able to achieve his results in 6 months' time. You can notice on the bottom teeth, he's actually wearing his lower bracket still.
Wow, they're hardly noticeable at all.
Exactly, and we use small tooth-colored brackets with a thin titanium wire to achieve the results that we're looking for. And they're practically invisible, as you can see from this photo.
Well, Amy, I want to bring you in now. What makes these, aside from the expedited treatment, different than the traditional braces?
Well, there's a lot of things that make them different. First is the time, obviously. 6 months and treatment is completed with the orthodontist. Second, next would be the cost. Traditional braces usually cost between $4,500 to $6,000. Short-term ortho costs $4,000.
Really? Okay, so we're talking substantial difference between the two braces. So who are the best candidates for the 6-month braces?
Well, we find the best candidates would be those individuals who have no baby teeth. So older teenagers who have lost all of their baby teeth and have all of their permanent teeth in, as well as adults. A good example of a good patient would be someone who has had braces before. As they age, their teeth shift.
They forgot to wear their retainer, Dr. Wettstein.
All the time. Retainers have to be kept in permanently.
Right.
And most people don't realize this. And so as we age, our teeth shift. And so an individual such as that is an excellent candidate for short-term orthodontics or 6-month braces.
And so how would somebody find out, because maybe they've said, that kind of sounds like me, I kind of would like to straighten up my teeth. How would they find out if they are in fact a candidate? Because you say there are some people that are not going to be.
Well, in Chandler, my office is in Chandler, and we offer free consultations, including x-rays. And all you have to do is call our number, set up an appointment. I'd be happy to see you personally.
And I know, too, that you're trying to make it a little bit easier, Amy, for people to go ahead and step out, even in the times that we're experiencing right now, to get the work done on their teeth that they perhaps would like to have.
Absolutely. We offer several financing options. One would be at no interest for up to 12 months. In addition, many insurances will help cover 50% of the cost on short-term ortho for the 6-month braces. And also for today, we're offering $300 off any 6-month braces case. That just mentions they saw us here today on TV with you.
Well, those are some incentives for sure. We appreciate you coming in.
Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.
I've never heard of 6-month braces, and now I have. Here's the information for you to get a hold of them. 6-month braces can be had at Impressions Dental, which, by the way, is on the northwest corner of Cooper and Briggs. That's in Chandler. The phone number to give them a call is 480-814-8888. And you can get more information, that is, at impressdental.com. And finally, we want to mention that Impressions Dental is a sponsor of Sonoran Living Live.